Now that we've downloaded the installation file, we can just double left click and Caddie will start with the installation. It may be that your antivirus may bring up a dialog on the bottom right hand side that asks you, would you like to allow Caddie to do the installation? Then you can just say allow, or you can say next. As you can see now, it starts with the installation, preparing to install, and welcome to the install shield wizard for Caddie 26. So you're going to say next. As you can see, here's the license agreement. As you can see on the bottom right hand side, you can print the agreement. So I'm going to say accept. I'm going to say next. Click install to begin the installation. Click on install, and as you can see, Caddie asks us, please wait a while. The install shield wizard install Caddie 26. This may take several minutes. And as you can see, now the install shield wizard is completed. I can ask Caddie to launch the Caddie 26. I'm just going to say finish. So if I go back to my desktop now, you will see on my left hand side on your desktop there will be a Caddie shortcut.